Hello students, how are you? So today we'll be discussing HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So what is highest common factor? It is a factor between two or more numbers which can be taken common highest in number. That is why it is called highest common factor. So, to understand this, we'll consider two of the numbers 96 and 144. We'll try to find the factors of these two numbers using prime factorization. So, prime factorization you know earlier. 96, I'll do the division part here. You know the unit digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 times 48 is 96. Then again 48 is divisible by 2. 2 times 24 is 48. Then 24 again divisible by 2. 2 times 12 is 24. 12 again divisible by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Then 2 times 3 is 6. And you all know the last number we got 3. It is again a prime number. So it is divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So in prime factorization, we use only prime factors in common and we continue till we get the last factor as 1. Now similarly do the prime factorization of 144. 2 times 72 is 144. 2 times okay, now 2 times 72 is 144. 2 times 36 is 72. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So you need to take care that all the factors should be prime numbers. These all are prime, these also are prime. Now we'll write the factors of both the numbers. 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. These are the factors of 96 I have written. Similarly, we'll write the factors of 144. So 144 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So I have written the factors of both 96 and 144. Now we will take common factors between both of the groups. The factorization of 96 and 144. So I see here the 2 is common. One more pair 2 is common. Another pair 2 is common. Another pair 2 is common. Now this 2 is not common. And at last we see that only number 3 is common left. So we'll choose one number from each pair and we'll multiply them all to get the highest common factor. First of all, I'll write 1 each as a common factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is common. So I can write here 2, 2, 2, 2. And 1 times 3 is common, so I'll write 3. So I get these common numbers from the factors of 96 and 144. Now when we multiply all these common factors together, we'll get the HCF. That means it will be the highest common factor between 96 and 144. So therefore HCF will be product of all these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We will get the product as 48. So HCF is 48 of both the numbers. So hope you understand this. So we have find out the highest common factor between both the two numbers. In short or in abbreviated form, it is denoted by letter HCF. H stands for highest, C for common, F for factor. So HCF is highest common factor. One thing more I want to add. For 96 and 144, as we have find out the HCF as 48. So 48 can also be called by one another name but having the same meaning, and that is called GCD. GCD stands for greatest common divisor. So I'll write here. So I have mentioned here at the top GCD. It is called greatest common divisor. Means for number 96 and 144, the greatest number which divides both the numbers is also called the HCF, and sometimes it is also called as GCD. It is also called greatest common divisor. So thanks for your consideration and hope you understood the concept well. So students, earlier we have understood about HCF of two numbers. Now we'll learn about LCM, means least common multiple. Least common multiple of the given two numbers can also be found out with the help of prime factorization method. So we have done the prime factorization of two numbers here, 96 and 144. And I have written the prime factorization here. 96 prime factorization and 144 prime factorization is written here. Then what I have done, I have taken the common factors between both the two numbers. So I have got 4 pairs of 2 common and 1 pair of 3 common. So I have written 4 times 2 and 1 times 3 here. So these are the common factors. As we have learned earlier, when we multiply all these common factors, we get HCF of both the numbers. But LCM, in a shortcut method, using this we can continue how your LCM will be the product of these common factors, means the HCF, multiply by the non-common factors which are left here. The non-common factors which are left here are 2 and 3. And when we multiply the common factors with non-common factors, we get the LCM of two numbers. So it is a shortcut technique to find the LCM. We do the product of all common factors. So when you multiply all these common factors, 4 times 2 and 1 times 3, you will get the HCF, and you multiply this HCF with the leftover 2 and 3 non-common factors, means we'll multiply this with non-common factors 2 and 3 which were left here. Then you will get the LCM of these two numbers. So earlier we got the HCF till here, multiplication was 48. 48 times 6 will give you the LCM of these two numbers. So you see here the HCF by multiplying these numbers, common factors, I got 48, and 48 multiplied with non-common factors 2 and 3 will give you the LCM. So 48 multiplied by 6, you will get 288. So LCM of these two numbers will be 288. So this is a shortcut technique to find the LCM of two numbers with the common factors and non-common factors. Now after finding the HCF and LCM of the two given numbers 96 and 144, HCF was 48, LCM was 288. We will learn the result here for these numbers and the HCF and LCM. The product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is always equal to the product of two numbers. So HCF is 48 multiplied by LCM is 288 will be equal to product of these two numbers 96 and 144. So after multiplying HCF and LCM, you will get 13824. And when you multiply these two numbers, you will again get 13824. So you will see both the results are equal. So this is a relation between these two numbers and HCF and LCM of the given two numbers. So hope you understood the concept well and keep on learning in the same manner. Thank you.